just go, stop! You're out of my way! You do it. Okay, ready? Okay, let me see it. Show me what you got. I have a wedgie. Wait. Okay. Butt crack. No. I said I have a wedgie.
In your butt crack.
It just doesn't work. No, it doesn't. Oh. If that fire, it'll work better, but it doesn't work. Ready? Why? Because it doesn't work.
It's totally wrong.
Wait, what are we doing?
Get it in there.
Okay.
You guys are giggling. No, you can't put your hands like that. Because who's gonna go
I'm sorry.
There? You can like go through your hands. No, you can like that. I'm just saying. Hey, where your pants go?
Are you ready?
Like that.
WTF. Ready? Okay, go.
I'm trying to tell him how to show it.
Tell him how to show it.
David, how do you do it?
You do it like this.
Okay,
Ready?
show me. Do it.
Do it like this.
Can't do
Ready?
it. No, see, that's a big fail. I have a wedgie again. That is a major fail.
You go like this. You ready?
It's really hard to do with two people. My ear is stupid. You just go like that on your hair.
Exactly.
On your
Show us
hair.
how it goes.
What?
What is it?
I don't know. Ready? You can go. Okay.
Snort like a horse.
No, I just said.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, that was a good one. Yeah, see, you want to do it with me? I will do it with you, but I can't do it like that. You just.
You gotta rock your head.
Why do you have to do it together? Why can't you do it by yourself?
You gotta rock your head.
Because she doesn't know how to spin the
What?
balloon.
You gotta.
Right here, you spin it for me, I'll do it. You're like,
Lazy.
Set. Go. The big value apple would be in the moon.
There's a chair there.